Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get pie in Yeeps. First, let's understand the core concept. Yeeps are delightful creatures that, when properly engaged, can reward you with delicious pie. You'll want to identify their preferred environments, which are typically marked on your map. Make sure your inventory has at least 3 specific interaction tools ready. This preparation is key to a successful pie-gathering expedition. Once you've located a Yeep, approach it slowly. A sudden movement might cause it to become shy, reducing your chances of earning pie. The Sweet Nudge tool, available for about 500 coins, is highly effective. Apply it with a light touch, waiting approximately 10 seconds for a reaction. Different Yeeps respond to different stimuli, so pay close attention to their unique animations. To truly maximize your pie collection, focus on specific Yeep types. The Golden Yeep, for instance, often yields double the standard pie amount. Don't forget to check the daily challenges. Completing 3 of these can grant you an extra large pie. Consider upgrading your Sweet Nudge to a Super Nudge for a 20% boost in pie acquisition. This small investment pays off quickly. For the seasoned pie enthusiast, joining a guild opens up new avenues. Guild members often share advanced tips and coordinate efforts for large-scale Yeep events, potentially yielding hundreds of pies. You can also trade your surplus pie with other players for rare crafting materials or exclusive cosmetic items. Try interacting with Yeeps at different times of the day. Some players report a 10% increase in pie drops during twilight hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.